Use shallow disposable caps or small dishes to hold the borax and honey bait so you can place them where ants feed without sticky spills. For effective placement, start by mixing 1 part borax with 3 parts warm honey until smooth and slightly runny so ants can carry it but it will not drip excessively. Use shallow bottle caps, yogurt lids, or small condiment cups to contain the bait. These keep the surface area low and reduce the chance of overflow. Put each cap on a disposable flat tray or a square of waxed paper that you can lift and discard when done. This catches any accidental drips and protects countertops and floors. Place baits along ant trails near baseboards, under appliances, or at the edge of cabinets where ants naturally travel rather than in open middle of counter spots. Check the stations daily and wipe up any stray smears with warm soapy water immediately to prevent pets or children from contacting the bait. Replace the caps and trays when they become contaminated with crumbs or dust so the bait stays attractive and contained. People often set baits on high traffic areas where spills are likely, so choose edges and corners and use trays to contain accidents. Another common mistake is making the bait too runny, which causes drips. Keep the consistency slightly viscous so it is palatable but not dripping, and test 1 drop on a plate before filling multiple stations. A third issue is leaving baits unattended for long periods, which can attract ants away from the station and create sticky trails. Check daily and remove or replace stations as needed while wiping up any tracks promptly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs and improvements related to pest control and cleanup, and we also help contractors find work through listings and project leads. We host a discussion community where we and other users share field tips and practical experiences about baiting techniques, cleanup methods, and safe placement strategies.